Hi everyone, I just received the package here. It came early in the morning. Um, so I'm doing it in the nighttime right now. But I don't want nobody to see my name or anything. It came from Upstart Epoxy, I believe. So let's see what it is, okay? So wait a second because I gotta cut the box. So here it is. Upstart Epoxy 25 mica powders. Uh, Wait up. I got it. There's nothing else. It's in there. Let me put this up here.
Come on, help.
32-ounce kit. That's the website. Okay. Wait 1 second, cause I wanna go ahead and open them up for you can see. So here are the mica powders, 25 of them. I will show you that in a little bit, cause that's gonna be probably art resin, crystal clear. Here's this one, and here's that one. Okay. What you doing with the dog? It comes with stuff inside. Let me see. Okay, they give you 4 little sticks and some, of course,
gloves.
some cups and gloves.
I don't know why.
Okay.
All the time I never do.
They gave me a little color palette for my mica powders. It said thank you for your purchase. Of course. They also gave me, oh wow, that I have to scan. There's a thing to scan for I can get my free product. So that's freaking cool. Scan me to get a free product, and scan me to for we can show you how to use the epoxy. And what are these? Oh, if I'm not happy with it or whatever expectation, I have to contact them. So I got 3 things here. So that's cool. So that is what I received. Okay. Now what I want to show you are these colors of mica. There's 25 of them.
25.
So this is going to be, oh, I didn't know they give you a free spoon. Check this out. It's so tiny. Look, I got a free spoon. Pretty cool, huh? Now that's cool. I didn't know. Look. Here's this beautiful blue-green. Oh, this is beautiful, man. I'm gonna put them just like that. Here's black.
This is my hand, this is my hand, this is my hand. This is my hand, this is my hand, this ooh. Hello.
Let's see which one is this one. Here, bluish green. Oh, I love that. Oh, look at this. Vivid blue. Oh, this is stunning. Sparkly white. Oh, Why it don't look like white to me? That sucker look like silver, but oh, look like silver to me, right? Sparkly white. That's what it says. But it looks like silver. Rose red. Ooh. Dark green. Oh my god. Oh, that is so beautiful. Oh Lord. Peach red. Should have went like that to show you. Brown. Oh, yes. Let's see. Silver black. Blackish green. Oh, that is beautiful. Golden. Red copper. Apple green. Orange. Golden red. Rainbow purple. Oh Lord. Yellow. Deep blue.
Deep blue.
Wow. Violet. Olive. Sparkly golden.
White.
Deep pink. Oh, beautiful. And light green. And purple. So I received all that, okay, from Upstart Epoxy. Yeah, now I can't even freaking close it, so you know what? Just leave it alone for right now because I cannot close it. You know what? Just leave it alone. Because I want to show you something. Okay, I got no mats. Okay, I'm doing it here on my table. Doing it with one hand. Look, I made a coral. I put a little bit of flakes, but I did this with resin. I also made this, which I'm going to demold right now. Hopefully they seem to like this.
Yeah, like I do, because I'm doing it.
I did the lines more thinner, but it moved just like that. So that is how it looks. I haven't taken it out yet, so I don't know how the inside look. So I'm just taking it out this way first before I demold this sucker. Just want y'all to like look at it. It's stuck. Okay, there you go. Don't want to break my mold, of course. I use glass and crystals. I had these crystals and I broke them with my hammer and I put them in there with my glass. Maybe I shouldn't have broke my crystals, but you know what? I got plenty of them. I had them for many, many, many years because my husband gave me a big thing of crystals. Real crystal, not fake ones. Here's a beautiful S I made with resin. This is how it looks. And is the color watermelon. And I used gold flakes. I'm about to do some keychain. I was going to do necklaces, but I don't have the strings for the necklaces. So I'm just going to do keychain for my little ones so they can have one. Her starts with the name that I call her Sky. So this is the letter S for her. I made that mix. That mix made from me with my nail glitters. This one is just gold glitter. That's the color he picked. She picked her colors, and now he picked his. I forgot what color was these two colors. Forgot the name of the colors. I know it's like a blue and one is like a green, but I forget the name of it. So that is how it looks. Okay. I'm gonna do some keychain right there. Now let's demold this sucker. Okay, I believe I already opened it up this way and that way, and I'm doing it with one hand. Okay, I don't, or maybe I can just, okay, there. Okay, it's coming out. Ugh, can't grab it. I'm doing it one hand. Let's make sure I can do this. There you go. There I go. I did it. I just demolded my project that I made. This was done with resin only and crystals with mica powder. And here is the back side, and this is how it looks in the back.
Oh my God, can I see that?
Wait. Oh.
What
Let me take a look. Like, oh freaking wow. That is freaking beautiful. Oh, freaking wow.
But you got some other
Look at how that looks. Ooh. Oh. So this is how the inside looks like. Now, of course, I'm gonna have to probably sand it. Or maybe I'll put another coat just on the top. Ooh, yeah, it's soft. Okay. Cool. I like that. See, there's some of the crystals and glass. But you do not sand none of this on top. That stays just like that. Sharp. Yes, it is. Because I got them broken with glass. Now, take a look. I was thinking about putting this coral either. Do you mind? Go. I'm busy doing this video. I'm either going to put it in the middle, maybe.
In the middle.
I don't know if I really want it there. Let me stand up. I could either put it there, or maybe I could put it around here. If I put it over here, you can also put stuff and you can also still see this. These little parts right here, I believe you could put probably a pair of rings or something. I know you could put something in there. If I had a ring, I just put it in there. But you know what? Let's see this. If it fits. Well, it's too big. But oh no, look. If you had a ring, you could probably stand it in there. Okay. Look. Do you mind? So there you go. I hope y'all like it. Because I don't know where to put it. Either there. Oh, that looks nice there too. Oh, that looks nice there too. Oh wow, that does look nice right there too. Y'all tell me if where should I put it? Yeah, I don't know about that one.
I don't know if I should let him run.
Nah, I don't seem to like that way. No, I don't know. I'll figure it out. I don't know. I gotta figure out. I do also like it like that, but then it takes. You can't see all the beautiful in the middle. Well, that is for now. I will let y'all go because I got to start doing some more of my stuff, do some of my pigments and everything, and take care of everyone because there's people still getting very sick. You know what happened? My daughter went in the taxi, and I believe they can get in trouble, the taxi people, because they had a person with the coronavirus inside the taxi, and they didn't let my daughter know until she got to the house. The minute they bring her here, they said the lady had coronavirus, and now they can get in trouble. So if we end up catching it, they're gonna get in trouble for it.
The puppy peed on the floor.
So I will let y'all go,
Bye.
everyone. So bye.
Bye.